Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a blueberry daiquiri. To make this drink, we're going to start by adding our rum to our shaker. 2 ounces of white rum, stronger than it looks. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Then 1.5 ounce of blueberry syrup, and I do make my own syrups. The recipe is here on the channel. Link will be down below and at the end of the video if you'd like to check it out. 1.5 ounces blueberry syrup is 45 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. Traditional glass for this drink is a Coupe. I'm going to be using an Anderson Ancestral Coupe. You can single strain or double strain. I almost always single strain my daiquiris. I like the ice shards. Some people do not. It's up to you. Garnish. Lime wheel is very traditional in daiquiris, so I'm going to add that. And in this case, I'm actually going to use a little blueberry skewer. Blueberries on the skewer. And there you have it. Blueberry daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.